Alright, hey guys, I'm going to be unboxing. I guess I'll just do two, because one, I don't really need to make a video on. The other, I will. I just unplugged my Echo Dot from the last video, and now it's yesterday's video about the Echo Dot. Go check it out. Probably in the suggested, but yeah, I got this, which I'm not going to make a video on, which is a 64 gigabyte SD card for my camera. I have 16 gigabyte in my camera now. Yeah, so, and then I am so excited. I've been wanting one of these for basically ever. LiFX bulb. Let me just put this aside. There's one more product in there, so expect a video on that. But here's the LiFX. This is my other bulb. It's the MePow color changing bulb. I don't know what the name is, but it kind of looks like the LiFX. So how do you open this? Do you just unscrew it? There's a little tape. So yes, this was on discount. Normally goes for around $55. I picked it up for around in the 30s, I think it was. Alright, alright, and then there it is. Just put it upside down. Here we go. The LiFX bulb itself is pretty heavy compared to the MePow bulb. Let me put that. This is not the LiFX, but this is the LiFX. So the LiFX is a little bigger. It has more in it, and the instructions, which I don't really need. But I'm definitely keeping that box. That box is nice. Let's put that over here. Alright, now let's get into this. And then it turns on. That is pretty bright. That is pretty bright. I'll just turn off so that is the LiFX bulb. That is bright for one bulb. I might get 4. Or I might just get the white ones. So I downloaded the LiFX app. This is the color changing one. This isn't the like $30 white ones. Oh, I have to register. Give me a sec here. This is being recorded on the same day as the last video. So if you hear thunder, I'm sorry. Like right now. You have to go to Wi-Fi. Sorry, I had to blow that out up there. And then LiFX. Alright, let me just turn this on. I'll just turn on the light there. So yeah, I connected to LiFX bulb. Now let's open up the app, which I registered for. Preparing your new light. We're preparing new light. And as I said, you can't really see. I may take a photo after this video is recorded, but it is currently on my ceiling fan. Only one light is there. It's very bright. Let's see, location name. Let's name it. Bedroom. I may set that in my room. Light name. I can live with that name. And now let's turn it off. Turn it on. That's really responsive. And then I can. It works with Amazon Alexa. So never mind. Sorry, it just went off. It works with that as well. That's what it says here. And then it works with smart things. If this and that, then I'm assuming if I tap the arrow, I can do colors as well. I'll turn this light off so you can see. And then I'm assuming I can just. And then you can do different shades of white. That is bright. printed like a softer white. That's also, they're all bright. They seem bright compared to each other. I like that. That's a good one. That's a nice light. Or that one. That one, I guess. There are themes as well. So you can do Independence Day. Like this blue, I guess. I don't know. Relaxing. I don't know about these themes. Whatever. Let's see. Can you 3D touch? I'll just make it white. Alright. Yeah, now let me go into the Amazon Alexa app. And home. I'll put her on mute so I can say Alexa and it won't respond. I'll just go to skills. Sorry, I had to blur that out. That said my name. And then LiFX. Okay. And then I have to sign in right here. Which I will do real quick. Okay, then I clicked discover devices. Now it's looking for devices. I will turn off mute. Actually, let's move these. LiFX. Oh, salt lamp. Oh, salt lamp's off now. That would be my problem. Alright. Alexa, turn on my room.
Sorry, I didn't find my room.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Oh, it worked. Yes, finally. Alexa, turn on the lights to red. Oh,
Okay.
yes. Alexa, set the lights to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, set the lights to green.
Okay.
Alexa, set the lights to white.
Okay.
Alexa, set the lights to a warmer color.
I don't know how to set lights to that setting.
Never mind. But yeah, so it works. Yes, got that set up. My next video is another thing that I got with this. I don't know where I'm going to use it actually, because I was going to use it possibly under my desk. But I don't really use. I might set it up with my this. Sorry, because this doesn't work with Amazon Alexa. I might set it up with this. Yeah, I might set it up with this. The Mi 5 volt. I'll turn this back on. I'm gonna set it up with the lamp that this is plugged into. You'll see. Super excited for that video. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That's go for my bowl. Comment and subscribe if you have an Amazon. I'll mute it. If you have an Amazon Alexa, if you use it, what do you use it for? Do you have smart tech? Do you have a LiFX? Let me know down below. And if you're interested in like the whole smart home thing, I'm trying to smartify, it's not a word, just make my room really smart. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video, guys, which I'm going to create now. It'll probably be up tomorrow. Well, tomorrow, as of like when this video came out, it'll come out the next day or in the next following days. I'll see you then. Bye.